A blinking red light on your Walgreens heating pad is an important warning signal that indicates a problem requiring your attention. When you see this blinking red light on your heating pad controller, it means the device has detected an issue that needs to be addressed before safe operation can continue. There are several potential causes for this blinking red light. Let's examine each one to help you identify the specific issue. First, the most common cause is a loose connection. This could be between the cord and the controller, or between the plug and the wall outlet. Second, damaged or frayed wires inside the heating pad or cord can trigger the safety system and cause the red light to blink. Third, internal controller problems can occur when electronic components inside the control unit malfunction or fail. Fourth, overheating can trigger the safety system. This happens when the heating pad gets too hot and automatically shuts down to prevent damage or injury. There is an important safety warning you should be aware of. Some older Homedix heating pads from 2001 and 2002 had loose connections that could pose a fire hazard. Understanding these potential causes will help you identify why your heating pad is showing a blinking red light and determine the appropriate next steps for resolution. The first step to fix a blinking red light is to perform a complete system reset. Start by unplugging the heating pad from both the wall outlet and the controller. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes. This waiting period allows the internal system to completely reset and clear any error states. After the waiting period, reconnect everything in the proper order. First, plug the controller back into the heating pad, then connect the power cord to the wall outlet. Ensure the heating pad is laid completely flat. Creases, folds, or covering the pad with blankets can cause overheating and trigger the safety shutoff. If the standard reset doesn't work, try this alternative method. Hold the power button while unplugging the pad. Keep holding while plugging it back in, then release when the light turns green. If the blinking light persists after trying these fixes, consult your user manual or contact Walgreens customer service. If the heating pad frequently turns on and off by itself, this usually indicates a broken internal wire and means it's time for a replacement. Important safety reminder: prolonged use of heating pads can lead to a condition called toasted skin syndrome, which causes a distinctive rash pattern. Always limit your exposure time and take breaks to protect your skin.